This is a product for converting the original car's handle sensing key with a bodyguard number 1. It involves placing the main board of a normally used original car key into our main unit box, and then using our additional remote control to operate it, thereby achieving the effect of key conversion with multiple boards. The first step of installation is to find a plug from the original car according to the materials we provide and connect it directly without needing additional wiring or removing the door panel. After connecting this three-way plug, route the wire to the area under the front driver's or passenger's seat and place the main unit box with the decoder under the seat. Since the sensing point of the original car key is located under the central armrest box, we need to position the main unit box containing the original car keyboard as close to it as possible. If it cannot be placed under the seat, we must not exceed the 60 cm range of the original sensing antenna. Placing it on the side panel of the central console or under the dashboard panel near the central console is also acceptable. For the second step of installation, remove the main board of the original car key, and after soldering it according to the method we provide, place it into our main unit box. When placing the keyboard, ensure that the low-frequency antenna of the original car keyboard is facing upwards, adhere to the double-sided tape, and maintain a deviation of 5 to 10 mm from the pole below. Hold down the remote control learning button without releasing it, then press the lock button on the remote control to be learned once. While pressing, the indicator light will flash, and once all learning is complete, release the learning button. All remote controls that participated in the learning process will be usable, while those that did not participate will become invalid. A maximum of 3 can be learned. After unplugging the low-frequency antenna, the red light will turn off and the blue light will flash. We press this button to set it up. For Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Porsche, and Land Rover it's 3 times. For BMW and Volkswagen it's 6 times. After pressing the setup number, the blue light will flash the corresponding number of times according to the setting to confirm correctness. During testing and use, we found that sometimes unlocking requires pressing several times. In this case, we need to adjust the position of the keyboard, slightly moving the original car keyboard up or down away from the electric pole. If the car can still start when the key is taken more than 5 meters away, we need to move the low-frequency antenna of the keyboard closer to the electric pole below, or move the main unit box slightly away from the central channel. Installation Step 3. Place the high-frequency antenna in a relatively open area as much as possible, as it is used to receive the remote control distance of our additional remote control. If the remote control distance is short, we can appropriately adjust the position of the antenna. Generally, we recommend placing it in a relatively open area inside the triangular panel. The 2 low-frequency antennas are used to sense the key being carried. When you approach the vehicle, they allow you to touch the sensor to lock or unlock the doors and detect whether the key is inside the car, enabling the vehicle to start. We require one antenna to be installed in the center of the front windshield or behind the door handle, and the rear antenna should be installed in the trunk, maintaining a diagonal installation with the front antenna. Both antennas should be perpendicular to each other. If the front antenna is installed horizontally, then the rear one should be installed vertically. Finally, as a precaution, connect the plug from the 3-way adapter cable to the end of the decoder core that has a light. After the remote control is successfully programmed, the green light should remain on continuously. The green light must be on to start the vehicle and use the touch door handle. The wavecode switch inside the decoder core is set by default to match the vehicle model. If you need to adjust the wavecode switch, you must first disconnect the 2 power plugs. If we want the trunk comfort entry function, turn on the 5th and 6th wavecode switches, and then start the vehicle after turning on these switches. If the green and orange lights flash alternately, then this protocol is compatible. If they do not flash alternately and the green light remains on, we need to turn off the 5th and 6th wavecode switches. This vehicle is not compatible with this protocol, and these 2 switches should not be turned on. If the original vehicle has a kick function, it is necessary to install a host model of the 5 series and a dedicated wiring harness.